Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 124 of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. In this issue, I am going to be doing the same as I did a couple of issues ago, but on the other side. It is a little bit different. We've got an extra part. We've got an extra hose to put in, because that was already fitted on the first one. We've got to fit it completely on this side. So there we go. We'll be doing that in a moment. It's fitting all the vents in place, like you've seen before, and then fitting it in, mixing it up, and adding that tube and pipe to it. That's that. Old Friends, new show. Yes, this is the new show that Michael J. Fox had in 2013, apparently. Returned for his TV comedy roots for a new family show for the NBC. I don't know. I don't remember it. I never saw it. I don't know. It's probably in there. I'm not going to read it all quietly to myself. But yeah, he started a new show. Cool. Christopher Lloyd made a guest appearance. The Brown Mansion. Yeah, where Doc Brown lives. All cool stuff. Next time is the big one. We've got a couple of extra pipes to put on, some coloured labels to stick on, and we're fitting the reactor base to the back of the car. So yeah, lots of stuff going on there. And looking at Alan Silvestri, who composed the memorable score for Back to the Future. So yeah, bit of music. So yeah, let's fit these on. So once again, we've got the 3 vents, 1, 2, and 3. We have a new tube to fit, and the bit that we got to put on there as well. So yeah, let's fit these on first. Not the FP, we need the other ones, the little NP screws to hold this in place. Exactly like I did last time. So I shall be doing exactly the same as I did last time, and fitting one, and then cutting away to fit the rest. Because you don't need to see me putting in a dozen screws. So that one goes in the top like so. I'm not sure. I think this is where these pipes that we're getting next time join up, and this is where obviously you've got the painted on scorch marks. I'm sure it's movie accurate, but I don't remember it. But there we go. You know what my memory's like. Do you remember what my memory's like? I don't. There we go. That's one of those in there. Others in as well. Then get the angle right. Put that in there. Just like so. Right, I'll get the rest of it all put together and show you when it's going to be installed to the reactor base, which I still have here. Look, there. We've still got it. There we go. So yeah, we're going to make it look just like that one. Okay, there we go. Now, knowing the trouble I had with the tube last time, I decided to fit that before doing anything else, and it went in really easy. It's one of those things that's always going to be easy when I'm not doing it on camera. So this is, again, going on that side, just like the last one did. It goes in there, about there. We need to get these 3 tubes connected to the rear. You would have trouble with something. Didn't think it was going to be that bit. One about there. Let's get one of these screws in. This is not going to try and escape again. There we go. That is that. The other end of this goes onto that little nodule just about there. Nice and easy there. Good. Those 2 screws I shall install momentarily. But first of all, let's get this bit on there. This one, again, goes in exactly the same as the one on the other side. Tweezers make life so much easier a lot of the time. One in there. And the other end of that down there. And it hasn't got the twist in it that the other one had, so it's going to lay a little bit differently, which is not a nice thing. It shouldn't all be symmetrical. So Yeah, that one in there like that. That's that. I shall get the tubes connected. I think that one's too high. No, it's about there. Just a case of getting it pushed into the right place. So that is basically the reactor base completed. Next time, as I say, is going to be the big episode. We're going to be fitting this to the car. So we need to bring in the meaty car itself, get it plugged in, get the extra tubes, or tube, just the one, and the other new ones connected up. And then we'll be ready for the final push after that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Do leave a... I hope you're already subscribed, but if you're not, subscribe to the channel and catch up on more part works, including the end of this one. And I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.